Turkey has become one of the countries actively developing its own defense industry in recent years, with major ambitions in the aerospace domain. While Turkey currently lacks conventional strategic bombers like the B-52 or Tu-1060, the country is shifting its focus toward modern air technology capable of long-range missions. The Turkish defense industry, led by companies like Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, and Baykar, is undergoing a rapid transformation from simply repairing foreign platforms to developing its own advanced air platforms. These projects are not specifically building conventional heavy bombers, but rather creating modern air systems capable of strategic strikes. Although official details are still limited, several defense analysts have stated that Turkey's strategic bomber will adopt a multi-role concept and be based on next-generation technology. This aircraft is projected to have several key characteristics, including it is designed to be capable of reaching targets across continents or strategic regions without requiring frequent refueling. It can carry a variety of weapons, from long-range cruise missiles and guided smart bombs to future hypersonic munitions. A radar-evading design is a crucial element in penetrating modern air defense systems. The integration of artificial intelligence, sensor fusion, and advanced electronic warfare systems enhances survivability and combat effectiveness. Strategic bombers are a symbol of advanced air power, capable of carrying large weapons, payloads, reaching extremely long distances, and carrying out precision strike and strategic deterrence missions. By developing a modern strategic bomber, Turkey is seeking to elevate itself from a regional air power to a global strategic player. The strategic bomber project will involve various Turkish defense companies, including Turkish Aerospace Industries. ASELSAN, TAI is expected to be the prime contractor for the aircraft's structural assembly and design. While ASELSAN will be responsible for radar, electronic systems, and electronic warfare, ROKETSAN will play a crucial role in weapons development, particularly long-range cruise missiles and precision-guided bombs compatible with the bomber platform. ASELSAN, on the other hand, will focus on software systems, simulation, and artificial intelligence integration. This collaboration reflects Turkey's integrated defense ecosystem model. With all key components developed domestically, the presence of a modern strategic bomber will bring significant changes to Turkish military doctrine. Turkey's air power has traditionally relied on tactical fighter jets and armed drones. With the strategic bomber, Ankara gains long-range deterrence capabilities, capable of deterring potential threats before they reach national territory. Furthermore, this aircraft will strengthen Turkey's role in joint NATO operations and regional security missions, while retaining full control over its technology and operations. Developing a strategic bomber is not without its challenges. Technically, the project requires significant investment, mastery of advanced materials, high-powered engines, and highly complex avionics systems. Long-range jet engines, for example, remain one of the biggest challenges facing the Turkish defense industry. Geopolitically, this project has the potential to trigger new dynamics in the region. Neighboring countries and global powers will closely monitor Turkey's actions, particularly regarding the balance of air power in the Middle East, Eastern Mediterranean, and Eurasia. If successful, a Turkish-made strategic bomber has the potential to attract the interest of friendly nations that have traditionally faced limited access to Western strategic platforms. Turkey could offer a more cost-competitive alternative with greater political flexibility. The success of Turkey's combat drone exports is a strong indicator that Ankara is capable of penetrating the global market, and a similar pattern could potentially be seen with future strategic air platforms. Turkey has once again demonstrated its ambition as a regional military and defense industry power by launching plans to assemble a modern, domestically manufactured strategic bomber. This plan marks a new chapter in the transformation of Turkey's Air Force, which has developed rapidly over the past decade through projects involving fighter aircraft, combat drones, and advanced weapon systems. Based on national technology, this strategic step not only aims to strengthen the national defense posture, but also emphasizes Ankara's determination to reduce its dependence on defense equipment imports, particularly from Western countries. In the modern era, the concept of the strategic bomber has evolved. Classic heavy bombers are no longer the only means of achieving strategic air dominance. Countries like Turkey, which do not operate heavy bombers, are integrating advanced UAVs, next-generation fighter aircraft, and precision weapon systems to execute strategic strikes more cost-effectively and with lower risk to crews. This integration supports the vision of integrated operations on the modern battlefield. Air combat systems must be capable of precision strikes, long-range loitering, data network interoperability, and working alongside other defense and reconnaissance systems within a single ecosystem compared to classic strategic bomber forces like those of the United States or Russia. Turkey does not yet possess a standalone large bomber platform. However, developments in advanced UAVs and next-generation fighter aircraft are creating a modern strategic air arsenal capable of executing a wide range of precision missions without the high cost of traditional bombers. This transformation demonstrates how developing nations can create strategic air capabilities relevant to 21st-century military challenges.